Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos and sometimes tattoo related videos. Today's video is first impressions on the Dragonhawk Mast Racer wireless tattoo machine. They were kind enough to send this machine to me to test out, and I will be doing a demo on fake skin. So the machine comes in this cardboard box. The machine is really small and compact, which I really like. It's very lightweight. It's 115 millimeters in height and 170 grams in weight. The output voltage is between 4 and 12 volts. The battery capacity is 1520 milliamperes. The battery is on top and it's quite a small battery. The machine comes with a bunch of instructions and some rubber thingies which you can switch out. And it also comes with a purpose-based frequency guide, which kind of tells you at what frequency you should work for lining, for packing, for shading and stuff like that, which I really find helpful if you're a beginner. It also comes with instructions and a bunch of things that you need to know. You can also connect it to a Bluetooth. Yeah, it has all kinds of cool specs, which I will get into more in the video as we go along. So the machine retails for $199 on their official website. It comes with an M-Core Pro motor and it has dual smart modes. So it has Hertz mode, which is used for consistent stroke control that adapts to your hand speed between 3 Hz and 140 Hz. And it has a DCV mode, which is for raw power, even at low voltages. So here I was just kind of figuring out the display and what the modes are, and as you can see, the handle comes off very easily. You can adjust your needle depth super easy on the go, and I really like that the battery is on top and the display is on top. It kind of makes it easier to see when you are working. Also, the battery being placed on top, it has a lower center of gravity, and it's for better control when you are working and for your wrists to not get so tired while working. It also has ultra fast charging, so 5 minutes of charging can get you 1 hour of usage, and it fully charges in about 40 minutes, and the total running time is 5 hours. So they sent me the machine with just one battery, but you can also purchase another one so you can have a spare one. So here I was switching between modes to try to figure out what each mode does. You can actually switch between lining and shading, or you can switch between soft, medium and hard. So I would say that most of the advantages of this machine are that it's really small and compact, it's very lightweight. It also comes at a really good price. I think it's a great beginner tattoo machine. I like that it has 2 functioning modes, which you can kind of switch in between and figure out which works best for you. I like the display, that it's super high resolution and it's color, and it's pretty straightforward. You don't have to think too much switching between the options and the modes it has. It's a sleek design, and yeah, it's easy to clean and assemble. The one thing I haven't figured out quite properly how to do is how to wrap it so I can adjust the handle as well, but that's on me, and I will figure that out as I go. So to test out this machine, I am working on a design which I will be doing next week at a tattoo convention. The design is quite small in this on this fake skin, but it will be larger in real life. And I wanted to test out line work, color packing and soft shading. So this design incorporates all of these techniques. I will be using a 3-round liner, 7-round shader and a 7-round magnum. And for ink, I'm using dynamic black ink, which I diluted to get some grays and some colors from Fusion. Started off by packing and lining, and also testing out a bit of shading. I did switch in between modes just to see the difference, but I found out that using the DCV mode works better for me. However, if you're not sure on which mode to use, I would recommend the Hertz mode, just because it kind of adapts to the way you work. So yeah, I think this machine is really cool. I like it. I will be using it more on real skin. I did use it on real skin. I made a dragon on the forearm, and yeah, it was really easy to use. Again, the only problem I had was wrapping the machine, but other than that, I feel it's a really cool machine, and the thing I like most is that it's very lightweight. So my hand wasn't tired at all end of this fixed skin session. It took about 4 hours to complete. The battery was at 30% when I was done, so it did its job, and I didn't run out of battery. But I would get the second battery just so I have one to spare if I'm using it for longer sessions. So I will leave a link to this machine in the description box, and I will also have a discount code for you guys, which you can check out in the description box and on the screen as well. And yeah, I'm sorry for my hiatus here on YouTube. I've been really busy at the shop. I'm going to my first tattoo convention next week, and I'm really nervous about that. And yeah, I've been preparing for that, and YouTube has kind of taken a back seat. I'm hoping to get back into filming, and this video was the perfect opportunity to kind of get back into the rhythm of filming and reviewing products and stuff like that. So I will let you watch the rest of the demo. Let me know if you have any questions about the machine in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!